जय भीम, जय संविधान, जय लोकतंत्र, जय भारत। तो दोस्तों, जय भीम, जय संविधान, जय लोकतंत्र, जय भारत। मैं आपकी दोस्त संध्या मैम। आज मैं पढ़ूंगी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस आर्टिकल 352 and constitutions part 18 इमरजेंसी प्रोविजंस। इमरजेंसी प्रोविजंस क्या है? इमरजेंसी प्रोविजंस क्या है, इसके बारे में बात करूंगी। इमरजेंसी प्रोविजंस भाग 18 आपात उपबंध। तो चले आपात उपबंध के बारे में जानती हूँ क्या है। संविधान का भाग 18 आपात उपबंध पार्ट 18 इमरजेंसी प्रोविजंस। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस आर्टिकल 352 प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ इमरजेंसी। प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ इमरजेंसी, आपात की उद्घोषणा। नंबर 1, if the president is satisfied that a grave emergency exists whereby the security of India or of any part of the territory thereof is threatened, whether by war or external aggression or armed rebellion, he may by proclamation make a declaration to that effect in respect of the whole of India or of such part of territory thereof as be specified in the proclamation. Explanation. A proclamation of emergency declaring that the security of India or any part of the territory thereof is threatened by war or by external aggression or by armed rebellion may be made before the actual occurrence of war or of any such aggression or rebellion, if the President is satisfied that there is imminent danger thereof. Number 2, a proclamation issued under clause first may be varied or revoked by a subsequent proclamation. Number 3, the President the President shall not issue a proclamation under clause first or a proclamation varying such proclamation unless the decision of the Union Cabinet, that is to say the Council consisting of the Prime Minister and other ministers of Cabinet rank appointed under Article 75, that such a proclamation may be issued has been communicated to him in writing. Number 4, every proclamation issued under this article shall be laid before each House of Parliament and shall accept where it is a proclamation revoking a previous proclamation cease to operate at the expiration of 1 month, unless before the expiration of that period it has been approved by resolution of both Houses of Parliament. Provided that if any such proclamation not being a proclamation revoking a previous proclamation is issued at a time when the House of the People has been dissolved or the dissolution of the House of the People takes place during the period of 1 month referred to in this clause, and if a resolution approving the proclamation has been passed by the Council of States, but no resolution with respect to such proclamation has been passed by the House of the People before the expiration of that period, the proclamation shall cease to operate at the expiration of 30 days from the date on which the House of a resolution approving the proclamation has been also passed by the House of the People. Number 5, a proclamation so approved shall unless revoked cease to operate on the expiration of a period of 6 months from the date of the passing of the second of the resolutions approving the proclamation under clause 4, provided that if and so often as a resolution approving the continuance in force of such a proclamation is passed by both Houses of Parliament, the proclamation shall, unless revoked, continue in force for a further period of 6 months from the date on which it would otherwise have ceased to operate under this clause. Provided further that if the dissolution of the House of the People takes place during any such period of 6 months and a resolution approving the continuance in force of such proclamation has been passed by the Council of States, but no resolution with respect to the continuance in force of such proclamation has been passed by the House of the People during the said period, the proclamation shall cease to operate at the expiration of 30 days from the date on which the House of the People first sits after its recommendation, oh, sorry, sits after its reconstitution unless before the expiration of the said period of 30 days a resolution approving the continuance in force of the proclamation has been also passed by the House of the People. Number 6. For the purposes of clauses 4 and 5th, a resolution may be passed by either House of Parliament only by a majority of the total membership of the House and by a majority of not less than two-thirds of the members of that House present and voting. Number 7. Notwithstanding anything contained in the foregoing clauses, the President shall revoke a proclamation issued under the clause first of a proclamation barring such a proclamation if the House of the People passes a resolution disapproving or as the case may be the disapproving the continuance in force of such a proclamation. Number 8. Where a notice in writing signed by not less than one tenth of the total number of members of the House of the People has been given of the intention to move a resolution for disapproving or as the case may be for disapproving the continuance in force of a proclamation issued under clauses first or a proclamation barring such proclamation. Number 8. To the Speaker if the House is in session, or B. To the President if the House is not in session, a special sitting of the House shall be held within the 14 days from the date on which such notice is received by the Speaker, or as the case may be by the President for the purpose of considering such resolution. Number 9. The power conferred on the President by this article shall include the power to issue different proclamation on different grounds, being war or external aggression or armed rebellion or imminent danger of war or external aggression or armed rebellion, whether or not there is a proclamation already issued by the President under clause first and such proclamation is in operation. तो आज मैंने ये इंग्लिश में पढ़ा है, दूसरा वीडियो मैं बनाऊंगी हिंदी में, नहीं तो और बड़ा हो जाएगा फिर। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। जय भीम, जय संविधान, जय लोकतंत्र, जय भारत। अगला वीडियो होगा मेरा इसी आर्टिकल 252 का हिंदी में। तो ठीक है दोस्तों, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट प्लीज़।